In this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste color grading from one clip to another in DaVinci Resolve. Start by making sure both of your clips are already in the timeline. In this example, I'll apply the color grade from a cloudy sky video to a shot of a man walking in the forest. First, make sure you're in the Edit tab. Then, place one of the clips over the other by dragging it to video layer 2. It doesn't matter which one is on top, just make sure both are in the same spot so you can match the color. Now, switch to the Color tab. At the top left, click on Clips. This will open the timeline view and show both of your clips. Select the clip you want to apply the color grade to. In this case, I'll click on the forest clip. After that, go to the cloudy video clip and right-click on it. Then select Shot Match to this clip. Now wait for a few seconds while DaVinci Resolve applies the color settings. Don't click anything during this process to avoid freezing the software. Once it's done, switch back to the Edit tab. Now, you can move the clip that was on video layer 2 back down to video layer 1. As you can see, the color grade from the cloudy video has now been applied to the forest clip. That's how you copy and paste color grading in DaVinci Resolve.